speaking of other live actions, medyo kinakabahan naman ako pagdating do sa One Piece adaptation. Yan pa. Malaki-laki yung
Malaki hanggang ngayon, hindi pa tapos eh.
di lang yun, malaki yung gastos nila dun sa
Oo.
production. And then,
Production. Kailangan nila ng pirate ship. Tapos,
mm-mm.
alam naman natin yung world ng One Piece. Hindi naman yung typical na setting na,
Sana naman maging faithful sila sa source material at pa rin nila, they make the story as close as to the original. I think yun lang naman yung kinakatakot natin when it comes to live action adaptation is yung yung mawala yung essence of the essence nung the show. I think yun yung
ano naman, ayun, hindi lang yung fear natin, pero sometimes they deliver.